Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. So today's video I am reviewing Luvme hair 22-inch body wave and it is gorgeous. Alright, so this is a HD lace pre-plucked and it is 5x5 closure, and as you can see, adjustable band that detaches. First, I'm using the True Match Lace Conceal in the shade Tan, and this is just going to help this lace really match my skin tone better. I apply just one even coat, and then after that, I use my blow dryer, and I dry for about 2 minutes. And I actually do this twice. So far, I've seen that 2 application works very well for this lace. Moving along, yes, this unit was already pre-plucked, but of course, to pluck it and have that natural hairline, I just usually part about 4 sections and I pluck sporadically, and this really helps thin out that harsh hairline. So you'll be able to see the difference between the side that is plucked right here and then the pre-plucked side. Alright, so I plucked the other side off camera and now I'm just parting the hair in the middle. I decided I wanted a middle part. So this unit does have a piece of lace that's in the back of the wig, so don't forget, but make sure you cut that piece off. This adjustable band is different from the ones that I've had in the past. I actually like it because it gives me 4 different levels to adjust, and I don't have to have any clips or anything that's getting in my hair. But yeah, I decided to put it on the 3rd notch. Glueless units are beginner friendly. I feel like as soon as you get it adjusted on there, you are ready to go, especially because this adjustable band is pretty good. I like it so far. I noticed that those sideburns were covering my ears, so of course that means that tab part was too long for me, and since this isn't lace, you will have to roll it up because you don't want to mess up the construction of the wig. So yeah, nothing we can't fix. Just add a little bobby pin and keep it moving. All done. Next, I am using the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade Stick, and this is going to help really secure my part. So I start off by using it right there along that hairline, and then I'm going to put it also in the part as well. I'm using the Hair Liquid Sheen before hot combing, and as you see, I want to make sure that I get as close as I can to the lace, but I'm not touching the lace. Do not burn your lace with this hot comb. It's so hot, especially because you can't even tell how hot the hot comb is. But yeah, one thing I want to make sure to remind you is to get that middle section, that crown area, because that is where it bulks up. You know, you don't want to walk around with your wig hiked up right there in the middle, so don't forget to get that part. So I was trying to hike up the front of my hair. I love when body wave hair is just big, and as you see, I'm using the Go Glueless foam gel, and I don't waste product, y'all. I hate wasting product. I hate it. Okay, but yeah, so you see I'm just going over this with my hot comb and trying my best to mold this into place. Right now you can see my wig cap, but don't worry, it will disappear. You won't keep seeing it. The things that we do for volume, we really try. Okay, I am cutting the lace off, and I try to cut as close as I can to the hairline. You can leave as much lace as you want to, but I try to cut more of the lace off so it can have a natural look to my hairline. I decided on baby hairs. I'm just going to take a little hair out of the front section. I didn't see any baby hairs on this unit. You can always make your own baby hairs or leave them off, either way. But I decided to make some fine baby hairs towards the front area. And yeah, it took a little time. Baby hairs are so tedious. Guys, I'm always frustrated, but when I cut my baby hairs, I first cut it longer and then I go back in and cut it shorter. And I'm just using some more of the Glueless foam gel to really lay them down. And this isn't my best work with baby hairs, I will say that, but it'll do for today. I decided that I want to use a curling wand instead of the curling iron to curl this hair. I feel like it was going to really emphasize those curls better, and I love curl wand curls. They're bomb. I love it. So I'm going to apply some more of the care on each section of hair, and I parted my hair in 4 sections. And after that, I'm just going to use the curling wand. And shout out to my sister for this curling wand because it's so good. I've been using it since college and it's still working and I love it. Guys, I almost burnt my finger. So I pulled out my Time glove and then I started to proceed with curling it again. I really love when the ends are curled, so I have to get it as close as I can to the curling wand, and you may risk getting yourself burnt sometimes, so put your glove on if you need to. If not, you're an OG, don't worry about it, but your girl didn't put her glove on because I couldn't burn myself like that. That wasn't gonna happen. The barrel on this curl wand was the perfect size because this is exactly what I was going for, and I decided that I'm gonna curl the rest of it off camera. Voila, we're finished, and the curls are curling, baby. They're doing exactly what they need to be doing. So I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and combing them out. For my girlies who love their body to their hair like me, make sure you always use your wide tooth comb because this is it. This is it right here. This is the moment that we've been waiting for. I'm foolish. Last but not least, we're going to go in with this Fit Me powder. This is shade 310 for me, and we're going to cover up this wig cap, ladies, because we can't be walking around with our wig cap just exposed like that in case anybody's looking at the top of your head. So yeah, the Fit Me powder has still been my go-to, and I'm just going to make sure I fill in right there along the hairline as well. I really enjoy styling this unit. The only flaw that I had was the sideburns being way too long, but like I said, there's nothing that we cannot fix up here, okay? So yes, ladies, I really like the way this hair curled, and you see this hairline, y'all see that? That's seamless, that's natural. So yeah, I'm just putting a little bit more volume in my hair and spraying it with that Aussie Freeze spray, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you tried this wig out, please let me know. Leave it in the comments and check me out in the next one. Bye.